How to Revolut back to your bank account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can Revolut back to your bank account or how you can withdraw money from Revolut to your bank account. Now the most common way to transfer money is to send back to your traditional bank account. Now it's generally pretty easy to do, but there are the different fees for sending money that you should be aware of. Now once you are good to go, here is how you can do it. I'll be able to explain it to you, but I won't be able to show you here since I'm unable to access my account at this particular time. Now what you want to do is you want to go to your wallet on the Revolut and then you want to tap on the transfer option. Now there you want to hit the plus new option and choose a bank recipient or card recipient. Now there, once you select it, you want to enter your bank account details or bank card details. Once you do so, you want to choose all your money that you want to send, and then when you want to check and confirm all the details are correct. The money will then be sent. Sometimes the payment is done as a local bank transfer, so the cash is generally sent pretty quickly. But if it is sent as an international transfer using an IBAN account, then this can take longer. You'll be kept up to date on the transfer progress in the app as well. So this way you can Revolut back to your bank account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.